Hi friends, today I have an organizational DIY for you. As I've gotten more supplies, I need to get more organized, so I'm going to share that with you. And then I have a quick product review that I'm super excited about and is going to go really well with a lot of the videos I do. So I can't wait to show you today.
Hi, I'm Lisa Marie, and welcome to my channel, Living My Best Life. I love to do videos on interesting topics, DIY, crafts, quizzes, anything. We can live our best life doing whatever makes us happy. I hope you'll join me.
As I've been getting more into DIYs and crafting, I'm finding myself with a lot of supplies that need to be organized. One, so I can find them quickly, and two, so they take up less space. This particular organization hack is going to be using some Dollar Tree items to create an inexpensive, space-saving storage solution for my little paint containers. I purchased 4 napkin holders from the Dollar Tree. Placing them bottom to bottom, I used some little ties to hold them together. I'm going to stack them on top of each other and then lay them side by side when each set of 2 is completed. I'm going to cut off the ends of the little ties as soon as I position everything correctly and everything as tight as can be. And what I'm going to end up with is a really nice solution for fitting in my smaller little paint containers. And this is just what it looks like when it's standing up. And then here it is with the paint inside. Super easy, super inexpensive, and very efficient way to save my space and also be able to see all of my little paint containers at once. This will easily hold 24 of the 2-ounce paint jars. And then there's those open spaces in the middle where I could actually even store more or possibly other supplies. I'm really loving this and I'm finding it very, very efficient to use. Let me know in the comments if you need storage solutions or organization solutions, because I will definitely do more videos like that in the future. I was sent another product as a gift. This one is really cool. It is a photo studio light box. It's square. You have like a silver lining inside, a reflective lining, and then it's got holes on the top for extra light, a hole for a cord if you need something corded, and it also came with 2 ring lights. Really nice 10-inch ring lights. They're both adjustable, 10 different levels of brightness. They're LED ring lights. Each ring light came with its own tabletop tripod, an adapter so you can put a phone or camera in the center, and they also came with remote controls. And then you get 6 backdrops that Velcro into the inside. The other cool thing is you could put anything in there. If you wanted to use some cardboard or cardstock to create your own background, you could do that as well. I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks like and the different lighting options, and I'm just going to demonstrate a few things for you and stop talking. What's really cool about it is it folds up, super compact, and when you want to open it, you just kind of throw it and it just pops out, you know, like those little tents with all the wires around them. So super convenient, folds into nothing, came with a nice case. The list price was $89.86. They have it on Amazon for $79.88, and actually right now there is a $20 coupon. So if you happen to need something like this would be a good time to get it. I do not receive any commission for this. I was just given this product as a gift to try out and review. This is really going to come in handy for showing off my crafts and DIYs as I make them. I'm excited about the opportunity to be able to photograph my items and have it look more professional. I will be sure to put the link in the description for this product in case anyone wants to check it out. Confabulate. That means to engage in conversation or talk. And now you know, and you can be part of the conversation. Be sure to like this video if you enjoyed it, share it with your friends, and definitely subscribe. I'm trying to grow my channel, and I would appreciate it so much as that really helps. Have a great day. See you next time.